Hey friends, this is Rajiv. I welcome you all to this video. Hope you all are doing good. So let's get started. As you can see here, I have created one Excel file and the size is more than a MB. So if you open the file, you can see there are a lot of macros and formula that I have added. So you can see like there are so many macros in the Excel. So the solution for reducing the file size is that you have to save the file in .xlsb format. B stands for binary. So what it does that instead of saving the file in XML format, it saves the file in binary format and it reduces the file size. So you can see the file size now in kbs. So you can see there is a drastic reduction of file size from the original file. So that's the way you can reduce the file size of any Excel which has lot of macros or formulas. That's all I have in this video. I hope you like this video. If yes, please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you so much for watching.